Tidi! Welcome! This is a car factory.
I have to catch a thief, but my police car is gone.
Don't worry, I'll make one as soon as possible. Turn on a main switch, press the button. Build a new car by moving robot arms round. Round wheels, put them together. Swoosh, swoosh, zap, zap, zap. The engine is next. Vroom, vroom, engine, click, click, put it in. Strong, heavy body, put it on the wheels. Bright, bright headlights, put them tight on the car. Swoosh, swoosh, zap, zap, zap. Now, time to install the doors. Drill in the 4 doors, put the windows into them. Wheel, wheel, siren, put it on the car roof. Psh, psh, spray with black and white paints. The police car is complete!
Thank you.